In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the hover color in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, customizing your website's hover effects can really enhance user interactivity and help your design stand out. Let's dive into the steps and make those hover colors pop. First off, you need to log in to Webflow. If you're already logged into your account, you're one step ahead. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and locate the project you'd like to edit, the one where you want to change the hover color. After finding your project, simply click on it to enter the Webflow designer. This is where all the magic happens. Once inside, look for the specific element you wish to modify. It could be a button, a link, or any other element where you want the hover color to appear. Click on that element to select it. Now, focus on the right sidebar of the Webflow designer. You'll notice a panel labeled with a paint roller icon. This is the Style panel, where you'll find all the tools you need to style your elements. When you have the Style panel open, look for the Selector drop-down menu. This menu is typically at the top and might display None or the element's class name. Click on this drop-down to expand your options. Inside the drop-down, you'll see a section labeled States. This section is crucial as it determines how your element behaves in different scenarios. From the States section, you'll want to choose Hover. Selecting Hover tells Webflow that you want to adjust the properties related to the hover state of the element you're working on. With the hover state active, you can now tweak the element's properties. For instance, if you're changing the text color that appears during a hover, navigate to the Typography section of the Style panel. Here, you'll be able to adjust the color setting to your desired shade. Simply click on the color swatch to open the color picker, select your new color, and it's done. Experiment with different hues to see what best complements your design. And there you have it, a simple yet impactful way to customize hover colors using Webflow. Changing hover effects can significantly enhance user experience and add personality to your website. Remember, subtle interactions like these contribute a great deal to the overall user perception and fluidity of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!